Hi everyone, today we are going to explain plot of tragedy and its types suggested by Aristotle in his book Poetics. But before we explain the topic, if you are new to my lecture, please like and subscribe the channel. Well, first we should know that what a plot is, then we will explain its types. Basically, Aristotle himself defined plot is the arrangement of events. As you know that a tragedy has events and that events are properly arranged by a playwright, so this arrangement of events is called plot. If you read a tragedy, so every tragedy has proper beginning, middle and ending. So this proper arrangement of events is simply called what? Plot. As you have understood plot, but the question is, what are the types of plot? So in his book Poetics, Aristotle mentioned that there are two types of plots, and they are simple plot and complex plot. Well, let's move and explain simple plot and complex plot. According to Aristotle, that a simple plot is that one which does not have peripeteia and anagnorisis. But what actually peripeteia and anagnorisis are? Peripeteia means a sudden and unexpected change in the life of protagonist in a tragedy. It is also known as a reversal or turning point. Simply you can say Peripeteia is nothing but a shift of protagonist fortune from good to bad. Or you can say when a tragic hero is in good position and he commits something wrong or something bad happened to him and his decline starts. So this is called Peripeteia. On the other side is Anagnorisis. It means that a sudden recognition of the fact, or you can say that it is a change from ignorance to knowledge. I think you are not getting the point. Let me tell you in simple words, it refers to the tragic hero's discovery, and the discovery can about be his tragic flaw. For example, if you have studied Oedipus Rex by Sophocles, in this tragedy, a tragic hero Oedipus realizes that he has unknowingly killed his father and married his mother. So this recognition or discovery is simply called what? Anagnorisis. So Aristotle has said that these qualities, or we can say that these two qualities will not be existed in simple plot. Therefore, he does not suggest this plot for a tragedy because it is not best for plot for a tragedy, because it does not arouse pity and fear in the audience. On the other hand, complex plot, as Aristotle has said that a complex plot must contain peripeteia and anagnorisis, because it is the best way to arouse pity and fear in the audience. If you take the example of Oedipus Rex, it is a complex plot because there is peripeteia in anagnorisis. Because Oedipus is unaware of killing his father and marrying his mother, but later he recognizes or discovers it, and through this way he faces his decline or downfall. Therefore, Aristotle suggested this plot for a tragedy because it arouses pity and fear in the audience. Well guys, if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to my channel.